Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 15th of July 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.62%, settling the day at 40,000.09 while Nasdaq ended the session at 18,396.98, rising 0.62%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is closed and Hang Seng is trading at 18,226.85. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,619, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII bought 4,021.60 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Industrial output in India rose by 5.9% on an annual basis in May. India's net direct tax collection jumps over 19% till July 11th. India's retail inflation rises to 4-month high of 5.08% in June. Now talking about global aspects, the University of Michigan consumer sentiment for the US fell for a fourth straight month to 66 in July. Factory gate prices in the US increased 0.2% month over month in June. WTI fell 0.5% to close at $82.21 a barrel while Brent settled 37 cents lower to $85.03 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 103.95. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.23%, up. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty surged to new record highs, reaching 80,893.51 and 24,592.20, respectively. This rally was primarily driven by gains in IT stocks, following TCS surpassing revenue estimates for the June quarter. Additional support came from strong performances by Wipro and Infosys. The Sensex gained more than 600 points to settle the day at 80,519.34. Meanwhile, the Nifty finished the day with a firm note at 24,502.15. The sectoral landscape remained positive, except for the realty, auto, and metals sectors, which closed in negative territory. Outlook for the day. On the daily chart analysis, Nifty has exhibited a breakout from the psychological resistance level of 24,500, indicating that the bullish trend is likely to continue into the next week. The outperformance of IT stocks has reinforced the market's bullish undertone. Despite this positive trend, buying on dips is expected to provide resilience to the market. However, strong upward movements may attract profit booking, making a sustained rally challenging. Bank Nifty experienced a robust breakout from a falling wedge pattern, closing of the session above the critical 52,000 level, suggesting a continuation of its bullish trend into the upcoming week. To confirm an upward movement towards the 54,000 level, the index must decisively break the 53,000 mark. Support is firmly established in the 52,200 to 52,000 zone. A break below this range could trigger further downside movement towards 51,000. Stocks on radar are Atul, LTTS, Manappuram, Dalmia Bharat, Mphasis. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.